Hey man, what's good people? What's going on? How is everybody doing out there? I guess you guys are having a great trading week. I guess you guys are having a great start to the morning. Well, that's your boy Harlan, and I'm back with another video. So today's video gonna be a type of signal video, but I want to make this as a insight on what might possibly happen today, right? Because you guys know it that today is CPI. Technically this is the last CPI of 2023. We've been through a lot, we've overcame a lot, we've went through a lot, and we've even thought of not doing some shit because of what we've experienced, but we're grateful that we've overcame it, and we're done with this last fundamental of the year, but not last fundamental of the year, but the last CPI of 2023. So before I get any further with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment on the video, click on the link on my description to sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade, and to most importantly, check the day in the life vlogs that I recently dropped. They cool, they fire, they educational, and they entertaining. So I guess and I pray that you guys will stick to the whole video, because I'm about to drop jams and I'm about to record fire content for you guys during the CPI, for this CPI. So you guys know that fundamentals are always analyzed two pairs, right? NAS and gold, because those are the only two pairs that I've traded before when I was trading fundamentals, and I'm still trading now. Like, I don't trade fundamentals, but most of the time fundamentals pop up while I'm still in trades. So there's inevitable, there's nothing that I can do about it but to just hold my ass like, damn bro, don't hit my stop, damn bro, continue moving up, damn bro, hit my TP. But it is what it is. So I'm starting off on the NAS, right? So looking at the NAS, I'm working strictly on the hourly time frame. No 4 hour, no 15-minute, no daily candle, right? So looking at the hourly time frame, you can clearly see that the structure on our NAS, we're still bullish, holding higher highs and holding higher lows. So we did violate this higher high, right? Because price created this higher high and created this higher high, came back for this higher low, and now we're on a new higher high, right? So obviously when now I see this I'm about to mark it out. I mark out this high, right? Because this is a previous higher high, right? So when I now look at my current price, what's currently happening, just to forget the history on the next what's currently happening. So when I look at everything that's currently happening, I can tell that, okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, possibly pushing to the upside with the new higher high. But I can clearly see that from this move that's moving to the upside, we're having some type of bullish weakness and some type of bear momentum, but that's not confirmed as of yet, right? So when I now look at my candlesticks, I can clearly see that now we might be talking some bullish weakness, so I might be looking at some bullish weakness and possibly some bearish strength, but there's no confirmation into why am I saying I see some bear strength. But all I can say is, from this push phase, this push to the upside, and looking at today's candlesticks, you can clearly see that we're having some type of depletion. The candlesticks that are currently trading right now are losing the momentum that they had, right? Because when you look at this momentum and this exhaustion, this momentum and this exhaustion, this momentum, and look at this depletion that we're having. So now all I'm waiting for on the NAS, just to be quite frankly with you, or just to cut things short, you can clearly see that we're now possibly on a new higher high, right? So obviously from every high that we have, price needs to create a low before we can look for a new high, right? So there's two takes from our side on the NAS. If the fundamental comes out bullish, or if it comes out positive, because you guys know it that CPI is an inflation number. If the inflation rate is high, that clearly means that Nasdaq will possibly move to the upside. It will sell, because that's affecting the stock market, like Tesla, Apple, and everything like that. I don't want to talk deep about it because it will take time. So if the fundamental is somehow positive, it will affect the stocks like the NAS, Tesla, Bitcoin, some stocks like that, right? and it would do it, it would sell off. Not technically saying it will sell off per se, but like I say, when I see weakness and I see some possible strength, if the fundamental confirms to me that the technical analysis that I'm looking at, that bullish depletion and that bear momentum that I'm looking at, if it confirms with the fundamental popping out and being bullish or positive, that will clearly mean that the Nasdaq might sell off. Based on what? Based on it having some type of strength, having some type of bullish weakness from a bullish strength. So that's my take on the Nas. That's what I'll be looking for. Not looking for much, not looking for less. Just two things that I'll be looking for. Is price gonna pull back or create that higher low, looking to move to the upside? Or are we gonna break past this higher high, looking for a new possible higher high? Because this is a fundamental. Anything can happen. It might sell 1,000 points. It might move 1,000 points. It's inevitable. There's nothing that we can do, but all I want to emphasize and all I want to push to you guys is let the technical analysis do the talking before the report pops out, right? Let the technical analysis do the talking before the fundamental pops out, right? If you're looking to buy on the Nas, gather, bless me, bless us. If you're looking to buy the Nas, wait for signs into why are you going to buy. Is it because of your technical analysis or is it because of your fundamental? If you're willing to sell, bless the whole world. If you're looking if you're looking to sell Nas, what reasons do you have that will confirm to you that the Nas will be bearish? It's all up to you. Let your technical analysis do the talking. But on my side, I repeat, I'm just looking for signs into what is going to happen when price comes back here. Not saying price will come back here, but the inevitability, like the inevitable number, like the inevitable chances that we have is very high. Price might come to test back here, because when you clearly see that from this higher high that we created, we simply had a break and retest with multiple rejections and continue to the upside. If we're looking to continue bullish and price comes back here, then that clearly means we possibly have a double bottom and have a stronger confirmation to move to the upside. Do you guys get that? But like I say, the direction is mainly based on two things: the technical analysis, what's happening in your technical analysis, and what might happen when the number pops out, because this is inevitable. There's nothing that we can do. So we move. Golder. So gold. There's two takes. Gold, I have two takes today. Okay, let me scratch out everything so you guys cannot see my history. So gold structure is bearish. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, possible lower high, right? So I'm waiting for two things today in gold. And gold, I might cut it short because it's clean as fuck, like most of my girls. So the gold, you can clearly see that, okay, our technical analysis, we're in a bear direction. We're creating lower lows and lower highs. So when I look at what's happening today, like right now, I can clearly see that, okay, we created this lower low on Monday, right? And price pushed. This is our pre-London session high that it created. So from a lower low and a lower high formation, I'm now looking for a continuation to the downside, because technical analysis is giving me signs that price will be bearish or price is bearish, right? So now I can clearly see that I have a possible flag. I can clearly see that I have a possible bullish flag. I have a possible bullish flag. So you guys know how a bear flag looks: price pushing, price correcting, or price exhausting, and price continuing to push. And when you can clearly see that price is pushed and price is possibly correcting or exhausting, we might have a possible continuation push. But my confirmation to be bearish today on gold is based on two things. Are we breaking this low, or are we breaking this low, right? We have two lows that price needs to overcome. This first low, if we break this first low and break the second low and close below these two lows, then I'm good to go on gold. But if it happens that price breaks this lower high, if it happens that price breaks above this lower high, then that clearly means that from this low that price has created, price created a high, price created a low, price created a high, price created a low, and breaking above, we created a new high, clearly meaning that price is looking to form a bullish direction, and we might look to be bullish on gold. Do you guys get that? I hope you guys get that. But like I say, the number in the direction is only based on two things. One, the technical analysis side, your technical and analysis side, like how you look for price action and how you base your price action. Two, what's the number going to say as soon as it pops out? So from my experience, like before I end the video, from my experience, this is gold, right? G, and this is the dollar, right? And this is the dollar. If it happens that the CPI comes out to be positive, then gold will have strength to sell off. If it happens that it comes out negative, then gold will have more strength and be bullish. Do you guys get that? That's just like how it is. I don't even need to explain that much. That's just how it is. But like I say, people, your technical analysis and the fundamental number will confirm the direction. But like I say, and like I end every video with what I always say, don't forget to smack the like button, to subscribe to the channel, to share the video, to turn on the notification bell, to comment on the video, to click on the link on my description to sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade, and to most of all check out our daily live vlogs. And the other thing is, you guys need to be careful on what you're doing, because this is a fundamental report. Anything can happen. What I'm saying, my opinions might not be facts until proven. Like, my opinion might remain an opinion until price does what we have anticipated, and that will be a fact. I hope you guys understand that. But without further ado, people, this your boy Halim. I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, and I appreciate everything that you guys have did and done with me so far for the past 2 years since I've started my YouTube channel. I see the growth, I see the numbers, I see the consistency, I see the passion, I see the love, I see the support. I'm grateful for it all, and I appreciate it all. If 2023 was this lit, 2024 will be more later. But that's all I got in this video, people. That's all I got in this video, people. That's all I